Good morning. It is not even 6:30 a.m. and I am about to head out to go do a teardown because it's Thanksgiving, so we want to finish it early so we can spend the rest of the day getting ready for our Thanksgiving dinners and whatever, and I'm exhausted. I am wearing my thankful shirt though as a reminder to be grateful for the fact that I have a second job that I really like, and yeah, it's Thanksgiving. So link to the shirt is in the description box in the shop. We also have sweatshirts, so hope you like it.
Like, let's set a timer.
Okay, let's set a timer. Great idea. What do you think? I think 15. Let's see what we can do with 15. On your mark. Get set. Go. I was like, yeah. Workbench came on and it was like we were possessed. Seriously though, like, I don't know. I was like throwing the chair. What's the time? 8:36 left. Holy shit. Think we can do it. We did all that in like 6 minutes, 7 minutes. It's like 7 more trips left. Okay, we can do it. Yeah.
We finished our teardown in like 2-ish hours. Lacey got here a little bit before 6:30, before I did, but still pretty impressed with ourselves. It was, yeah.
We're pretty pumped. 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
183 chairs.
Just like insane. That was over a stack of chairs a minute. And those are heavy and the trailer was far away. Girl power. Beast mode. All right, there's like 3.5 hours to go until we head to Thanksgiving, and I still need to make some pies. So I've got lots of apples to peel and probably put on a Disney vlog or two and just get to work. All right, I've got the base of my apple pie, and my Aunt Mona suggested, well, my grandmother suggested trying a crumb coat, and my Aunt Mona sent me the recipe for, I guess it's called a French apple pie. So I've got the crumb coat ready to go, and I'm gonna put that on top, and then this will be ready for the oven. Le voila. All right, we got the finished pie, and I'm gonna put this in the oven. Now we start round. So one of the pies is done. This is the French apple pie with the crumb crust. So I think it looks pretty good. We'll see if it tastes good when we get to dinner. And then I just put the other one in the oven. You can see there, it's got a lattice crust. So we'll see how they turn out. And now I get to clean up my mess. I am the world's messiest baker, and Eric hates it. All right, so there's the finished lattice pie and the finished French apple pie. We'll see at dinner how they taste. I'm not 100% convinced, but I'm hoping that they turned out all right. All right, we are ready to go to Thanksgiving. We got the pies all ready to load up in the car. We're gonna go pick up my grandmother and we'll see what spread looks like when we get down there. My Aunt Mona is hosting and I think it's gonna be really, really nice. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
You as well. I'll be right back.
Happy Thanksgiving, Aunt Mona.
Thanksgiving, darling. How are you?
I'm good, and that ice cream should probably get back in the freezer. Look at this table.
This is
Gorgeous. This is cashew sour cream that my cousin, I don't know how to describe him, Jeff made, and really good. And he also made this bean dip, which is super yummy.
Everybody's starving.
Oh,
Is this gravy? Yes. Where do you want me to chicken gravy? Turkey. And this is beef gravy.
This is all our beef gravy.
And, yeah.
Okay, everybody just grab a plate.
Anyways, I want to thank everyone for coming. I really feel blessed that I have all my family here today.
Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Here. Give me one end.
I'm gonna share this with you.
Here, use both hands to pull your end.
Oh, deck of playing cards.
Oh, we're gonna play cards. I like this guy.
As always.
Yeah.
Who made the cheesecake?
Wow. This is amazing, the food.
All right, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope that if you celebrated Thanksgiving on Sunday, you had a great Thanksgiving, and if you're celebrating today, Monday, that you also have an awesome Thanksgiving. I was so thankful to be able to spend time with my family, and especially, you know, we've had a hard past 6 months after we lost my grandfather, so it was just really nice to reconnect and spend time with everyone that we love. So yeah, signing off, and see you tomorrow. Bye.